So in this problem, they have said find the minimum value of modulus of the expression sin x plus cos x plus tan x plus cot x plus sec x plus cosec x for real numbers x. Is it clear? Now before starting the sum, let me assume A as your sin x and B as your cos x, such that A square plus B square will give you 1. Okay? Therefore, the given expression becomes modulus of A plus B plus A by B plus B by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by A. Is it clear? So little simplification will give you A plus B plus A square plus B square by AB plus A plus B by AB. Okay? Now A square plus B square is 1, so let me just replace it. Is it clear to all of you? Now let me assume that C is A plus B, that is sin x plus cos x, which can also be written as under root sin x plus pi by 4. Okay? Now sin x plus pi by 4 always lies between -1 and 1. Therefore, root 2 sin x plus pi by 4 lies between from minus root 2 till root 2. Clear? Therefore, the range of C is nothing but from minus root 2 till root 2. Is it clear or not? Okay? Okay. Now, the given expression becomes, after replacing A plus B by C, it's C by AB. Now, C is A plus B. Therefore, C square gives you what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. That gives you 1 plus 2AB, right? A square plus B square is 1. I have replaced it. So, from here we can say that AB is nothing but C square minus 1 by 2. Okay? Now, let me replace it in the given expression. 2 by C square minus 1 plus 2C by C square minus 1. Okay? So again, after little simplification, we are getting what? So C plus 2 by C minus 1. Okay? So again, we can write this thing as C minus 1 plus 2 by C minus 1 plus 1. Okay? Now, if we assume that C is greater than 1, that is, your C is lying between 1 and root 2. In that case, C minus 1 by 2 by C minus 1 is greater than equals to 2 root 2 by applying arithmetic mean is greater than equals to geometric mean. Now adding 1 on both sides, we are getting and if I take modulus of that, we are getting that our expression is greater than equals to 1 plus 2 root 2. Is it clear now? Now if C is less than 1, then what happens? C minus 1 plus 2 by C minus 1 can be written as minus C minus 1 plus 2 by C minus 1. Is it clear? Now just now we have shown that this expression is always greater than equals to 2 root 2. So minus of this will be less than equals to minus 2 root 2. Now let me add 1 on both sides. So we are getting Is this clear? Now, if we take mod, then this value will be greater than or equals to 2 root 2 minus 1. Is it clear? Therefore, the minimum value of the expression given is nothing but 2 root 2 minus 1. Have you understood this? The expression is greater than equals to 1 plus 2 root 2. Again, the expression is greater than equals to 2 root 2 minus 1. So, minimum between these two numbers is 2 root 2 minus 1. Therefore, the minimum value of the expression is 2 root 2 minus 1. It happens only when your C lies between minus root 2 to 1. Okay, that is root 2 sine x plus pi by 4. This lies between minus root 2 to 1. Thus, sine x plus pi by 4 is less than 1 by root 2 and greater than equals to minus 1. That is, x plus pi by 4 is greater than equals to minus pi by 2 less than pi by 4. That implies x lies between minus 3 pi by 4 and 0. Is it clear? Therefore, when x belongs to minus 3 pi by 4 to 0, then the value of the given expression is minimum, and the minimum value is 2 root 2 minus 1. Is it clear to everyone? Have you understood this problem? Okay.